Good day. Are you looking to enhance your business efficiency without the burden of hiring a full-time in-house team? At Best Remote Workers, we specialize in providing top-notch remote services to businesses across the globe. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, our team of dedicated professionals is here to help streamline your operations and boost your productivity. We are a trusted consulting firm based in India, offering a wide range of multitasking services tailored to meet the needs of any business. Our skilled remote workers are experts in data entry, email support, customer support, chat support, and even QuickBooks for entry-level accounting tasks. All of this at an affordable rate of just $6 per hour. Our goal is simple: to help businesses like yours thrive by providing cost-effective, high-quality remote work solutions. By outsourcing these tasks to us, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business and serving your customers. For those in Texas, we are pleased to announce that we have a local representative available to sign service agreements, making the process even easier and more seamless. For more information, visit our website at www.bestremoteworkers.com or reach out to us directly at customer@bestremoteworkers.com. Our team is ready to discuss your needs and how we can help you take your business to the next level. Choose Best Remote Workers today and experience the power of outsourcing with a team that delivers excellence, efficiency, and results. We look forward to partnering with you. Thank you.